Welcome to JH. The WMY.com is an online store claiming to offer cozy, oversized clothing like hoodie dresses and sweatshirts, because apparently, we all want to look like we're wearing a stylish sleeping bag in public. Their marketing promises soft, loungy perfection for the fashionably lazy. But is this store actually legit or just a very comfortable-looking trap? Let's dive into the details to see if your bank account is safe. First, a surprisingly good sign. The WHOS registration shows the site was created in November 2022. It's not a brand new site, which is a nice change of pace in a world where scam stores pop up faster than unwanted pimples. Being around for a few years doesn't guarantee a Nobel Prize in honesty, but it's a reassuring start for online shoppers. Another positive is their active social media presence, specifically on Instagram. This is great because you can actually see the brand in action and interact with them, rather than shouting into a digital void. Social media transparency usually suggests a brand is actually customer-focused, or at least has someone hired to pretend they are. They also offer a wide range of products, from hoodie dresses to sweatshirts, proving they are serious about catering to every possible way a human can avoid wearing real pants. Having variety usually means the store is legitimate, and hey, it makes the shopping experience a bit more interesting. The fourth plus is that they provide both an email ID and a physical address for customer support. It's always a relief when a company actually tells you where they live before they take your money. However, let's talk about the reviews, where the cozy dream hits a bit of reality. Customer feedback is a mixed bag. While some people love the variety of colors and comfortable fit, others have run into the classic trio of online shopping despair: sizing issues, geological scale, shipping times, and surprise fees for returns. Some even felt the material was less luxury soft and more regret. So, what's the final verdict? Based on our findings, WMY.com appears to be a real, legitimate online store. They've got the history, the socials, and the contact info to prove they exist. However, those mixed reviews mean you should proceed with the caution of a cat near a bathtub. Double-check your sizes, be ready for potential shipping delays, and read that return policy unless you enjoy paying for your own mistakes. It's legit, but a little skepticism goes a long way. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and honest reviews that save your wallet from itself.